Welcome to Daily Sourdough. There are days when I just don't want to make anything with my sourdough starter, but I need to feed it. These are the days when I either share it with a friend or I freeze it. Sourdough starter discard freezes really well, and it comes in handy when maybe somebody wants some starter from you and then you have some on hand to share, or maybe your discard's acting a little funky and you're not sure if it's gonna revive. Well, you have some in the freezer. You can just pull it out, and it's so simple to do. All you do is you find a clean, small container, little plastic container with a lid that's secure. Put in your starter and just make sure you save about 1/4 cup of it. I'm gonna save about 1/2 cup today. So just put it in your little container, put the lid on, make sure it's secure, and then be sure to label it so you know what it is. I always forget and think, what is in there? And then put it in the freezer. I've had sourdough starter in the freezer for at least a year. Still great. When I pull it out, thaw it revives really quickly. Just feed it as usual and your starter will come to life, and then it'll be ready to use. You don't need to feed it first. You can if you want to, but this is unfed starter. So never throw your discard away. There's always a way to use it, whether it's in a recipe, share it with a friend, or freeze it. And be sure and stay tuned, friends, because I have more recipes coming up on Daily Sourdough.